In this life, the most precious thing that a man should possess, there are only two, which are the driveway of people's life: the discipline and self-conscious. The discipline and self-conscious. Self-discipline will make you a good driver of one's life, but self-conscious will make you understand what do you need and what it takes to get what you need. So when you know what you need and you know what it takes to get what you need, the discipline will drive you to the peak of the mountain, the place where you want to be. Have discipline, have self-conscious, and you will make it to the top.